I got hundreds of comments on my last Instagram video I posted. Some of them are feedback, some of them are appreciation, and some are just asking for the details of the tool that I have used. There is no way I can reply to each one manually, so I built an AI automation that does it for me. It reads every comment, understands the intent, replies, and sends personalized DMs based on what the viewer is asking for. All I need to do, update a simple Google Sheet with what should be sent for each post, and the entire workflow runs automatically. In this video, I'll show you how the system works and how you can build the same for your content using make.com. So we have developed this automation workflow on make.com, which is one of the easiest and user-friendly automation platform that exists today, which already have hundreds of or thousands of apps already integrated. You can see the list and it's counting. To get 1 month pro plan free of make.com, simply sign up to Make using the link in the description. So let's start. So once you signed up, you can simply log in to the make.com. So as you see, you will be navigated to this screen. Then you can simply click on create scenario on the right top. It will navigate you to the scenario editor window. So there is two options for you. If you are already familiar with make.com, you can simply develop this automation workflow from scratch by following my instruction in this video, or you can simply import the automation blueprint that I'll share in our school by clicking this import button, import blueprint, and you can choose the file, and that's it. So this is our automation workflow. You can see here the first part. This is the trigger that is watching the comment. Whenever we get a comment, we'll look into a Google Sheet where we have all the details of the particular post. And here is our brain that we are using Gemini 2.5 Flash. And here we are creating the response. And once the response is ready, either we will simply reply to that comment. If it is a appreciation or feedback, we will simply reply to a comment. Or if they are asking for a particular tool details that we have stored on the Google Sheet, then it will go through this route. It will give the reply first, and it will send the link or the details of the particular tool as DM. So that's it. Now let's check one by one. To start with, you need two things. The first one, a Facebook account that has a Facebook page you have admin right with, and that page is connected with your business Instagram account. So once you have that two and connected each other, then you have to create a connection first, then a webhook. So you can simply come over here and click on add, can give a webhook name first there, and you have to add a connection. And to add connection, you can simply follow the instruction that is available here. This is the page. It's well explained. Here you can see you need a Facebook account that can perform admin level task on Facebook page, and it is connected to an Instagram account that should be a business account. So here you can see the detailed steps how to do the connection. It will take a couple of minutes. You can follow that and create the connection. Once done, then you have to choose the page here that is connected, and you have to choose the event as comment. That's it, and the webhook will be added here. Now it's the second module. Here you can see this is our Google Sheet. We have to add the post ID one by one and the post details, and it's for our reference. I have give a what tool or solution explained. It's not used in automation. So that's it. Whenever we get a comment in that module output, we will get the post ID as well. We will simply query to this Fazil Automates page Google Sheet, and with the post ID, then we will get the details here. That post details means the details that you have to send to a commenter as DM. So here you can see you have to add a connection first, then I have choose the sheet named Fazil Automates. That's my Instagram account name, and here I'm just searching with the post ID, that's the media ID. Fine. Now I'll get the details that I'm simply passing to the brain, that's Gemini 2.5 Flash. To add a connection, you can simply click on online help. That's pretty easy. It will take less than 1 minute. And here I am passing the user message, that is the comment we received for the post, and here is the prompt. Here we are dealing two cases. The first one, the first type of comments will be appreciation to the post or feedback. So how to deal that? That should be a reply with a simple, cheerful acknowledgement that fits Instagram casual tone. And in case if it is a, here you can see, if it is a comment asking for tool or just asking for the more details or something, then we have to create the response as check your DM, and we have to send the DM. Here we are differentiating the roots. If it is just a replay, no DM required, then the message type is 0. And if it needs to replay and send a DM as well, then the message type is 1 here. Based on this message type parameter, we are splitting further scenario. Here you can see we have added a root. If it is simply a replay as shown, just maybe the comment maybe just a emoji or an appreciation or a feedback. In that case, we'll give simply a replay. For that, again, we are using the Instagram module, the native Instagram module of Make, and we are passing the comment ID from the first module, and we are simply passing the result from the Gemini module that we have created the draft. And in case if they are asking for the details or the tool that we have stored in the Google Sheet, then it will proceed through this route. Here you can see based on the message type, if it is 1, the scenario will proceed through this route. Here you can see we are again using the comment create a reply module, passing the comment ID and the result and the drafted message from Gemini. Now we are using the DM message send private reply module. This send private reply module is not available under the Make's native Instagram app, that we have to subscribe separately through M-Square's page. So that's it. To add the connection to this module as well, you have to follow the instructions that is available in this page. So that's the overall idea of this automation. Now let's test. Let me go through my Instagram profile. So this is the account fazilautomates.ai that I have connected with my current automation. Let me go to the profile. Let me go to one of the posts. Yeah. And yeah, let me do a comment from my another account that's in my phone. Let me see. So let me go to my personal account and commenting. Let me search for my business account. Yep, here is the post. Okay, before that, let me turn on the scenario. Okay, I'm just giving a love now. Yep, you can see here the scenario got triggered. It went through the first route, that's only for replay. Let me refresh and see. Here you can see we got the replay just now. Thanks for the love. So that's it. Now let us ask for the tool. Let me run it again. Now let me comment tool. Yes. Yep, here you can see the scenario got triggered. It went through the second route. It first created a replay, check your DM, and it sent the DM as well. Here you can see the output bundle that contains recipient ID and message ID. Let me refresh and see. Here you can see we got a response 48 seconds before we have commented, and now we got a response, check your DM. Now let me show you. Let me show my inbox. Yeah, here you can see I got the HeyGen video link just now. So that's how this tool is working. Maybe you can set it up maybe in less than 30 minutes and it will save your house. If you rely on Instagram for leads, community building, or content growth, this is the kind of automation you need. If you want the Make.com blueprint, just comment below. Subscribe for more AI automations.